Hi, my name is Megan. I am a host here at Focus Space, and I'm so happy that you're here. In just 2 minutes, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started and feel confident using Focus Space. Our goal here is simple. It's to help you create a healthy work routine, accomplish your goals, and feel good while doing this. So let's start with how to get set up. I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the place where you can download our app, which is focus.space/download. You can find this link below. Just to note, you're not going to find the application just quite yet on the app or the Play Store by searching, as it is exclusively for members. So this is where you can easily download our iOS and Android application. This is also where you can access our web version as well. I know for me, I really like to set my goals on the phone, and then I like to attend sessions from my computer. So from here, I'm going to go ahead, click on this link that's going to download our web version of our browser. I do always like to recommend to bookmark this as well, so just click on bookmarks, bookmark this tab, and then you can easily access Focus Space from wherever you might be. So now let's talk a little bit about joining sessions. So once you're in the app, you're going to notice our menu bar here on the left. All you have to do is navigate to the Sessions tab. This is where you can easily join a session either by dropping in now, or you can add a session to your calendar for later. So let's talk about, what to expect while you're in a session. Once you're in, each Focus Space session is going to be a live guided co-working session. This is a structured but relaxed space designed to really help you focus, stay motivated, and make that real progress. So let's actually pop into a session right now. There's a power hour going on. All I have to do is click on drop in now. I am going to mute my mic before going in. Then all you have to do is click on join. It's going to take me right into the session where I can see how much time is left in this particular work sprint. It's also going to give you a couple of pieces around, you can set and share your goals here in the chat. There's going to be some music options if you like to listen to music while you work. This is also where you can pop in your goals or just any progress that might be happening throughout the session. For now, I'm going to go ahead and hop on out of this session, but you will notice that timer running. There's other folks co-working in there, and every session is going to have that quick check-in question just to kind of help you arrive, set the tone. And then you can also, again, like I said, share your goals over there in the chat. Your facilitator is really there to keep time, guide short intentional breaks, offer that gentle accountability, and really celebrate your wins with you. They're also going to lead a brief reflection at the end so that you can leave, feeling clear and accomplished. All you need to do is show up wherever and however you are that day. We invite you to join muted with your camera on if you're up for it. And we can't wait to see you in a session and really help you to make progress together. If you want to learn more, you can join our Focus Space 101 sessions. These happen every Monday and every Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific. If you do have any other questions, you can always email us at hello@focus.space. You'll find that email below. You can also click on support and feedback, and this is where you can email us any questions or anything that might be coming up. I can't wait to see you in some of the sessions, and thank you so much. See you later.